Hey everyone, I recently bought Razzai Mama Comforter, so let's see its review and demo. MRP is 4,500, but we got it from Amazon for just 3,200 and packaging was super solid, well protected. It has 5 centimeter thickness and 500 GSM microfiber filling that will keep you warm even in heavy winters. You get 4 size options. Ours is king size. First, let me show you my bed size. This is full king size bed and look at the comforter coverage. 96 inches by 106 inches and the piping is perfectly neat, premium finish and it's incredibly soft. You can use it both sides. One side is burgundy and other side is silver. Let me show you the other side too. So the finishing is excellent and look at these box stitches all over. The shape stays perfect. It won't get loose and the fitting never shift. Okay, the weight is 3.5 kg and still very lightweight. You can also machine wash it and the color stays exactly the same, no fading at all. Size is huge, completely covers my entire bed and it will work even in the Delhi winters. So at 3,200, I'll say it's a premium, fluffy, hotel style comforter, totally worth every penny. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.